Hey guys, and welcome back to my vlog. Um, today's day, right, is special to me. Today's day is very special. You know why? Because I'm officially off without shoots, no collaborations, no meetings, no work, nothing. Just me and my D. So when I woke up in the morning, nothing was planned, to be honest. So I went downstairs and I saw if Christina is awake, and before that I put my clothes to wash, and then I saw if Christina is awake, and I told Christina, hey, why don't would you like to come for lunch with me? We can go for some Goan food. And she was like, yeah, let's go, let's try it out. She's never tasted some Goan food, so today's day I'm going to be spending with Christina. Christina and myself are going to have some
For food.
for food.
My brain is not working. And it's food.
Today we are going to try Goan food. She's going to be trying food from Goa. If I say Goan food, she does not understand. So if I say food from Goa, then she gets it. No?
Yeah.
when
It is salty.
yeah,
Why is this salty?
I gave her fresh lime soda.
It's not salt. Should I add something?
Up to you. It's good. So Christina added some sugar into the lime soda because she hated salt and she found it very refreshing.
Mine. Yours.
This is what I get. And that is hers.
I don't
So we
share
ordered
this, Karen.
we ordered one thali to share.
No,
and then we
no sharing. Mine.
eat it.
Can see you. Oh, fucking me. Not sharing. Oh wow, look at that. Hey, come to mama.
Be careful, there might be a bone in it.
When in Goa, the prawns get bones.
No. I missed it. I thought it was fish.
Yeah, where we are from.
Mix some more rice. Okay, eat it. Have
Is
this.
there any lemongrass or something like that in it? Wow. Oh, very spicy.
Without rice.
Experimentation number 3. Who does survive? Not bad at all.
You love the food?
Yeah. Totally different dishes. Amazing. Okay, I will share a little bit.
Have the fish.
I give you 1 spoon.
This is spice. This is pickle.
What is yours?
This is fish.
I know, but this one.
Pickle.
Pickle what?
Mango pickle.
Oh. Do I have to put something with the fish?
No, up to you if you want to have it with rice. Oh, that plate just got grabbed away.
No sharing.
Guys, literally the plate just got grabbed away, you know.
No. I leave you the rice. Enjoy.
I was actually, it was like supposed to be sharing thali so that we don't.
Oh, look at her.
It was supposed to be a sharing thali, so if she likes it, we're gonna order some more. But now she's like, no, I think I need to order another thali for myself. We are come at Primark for shopping now. After our stomach is full and we cannot move, so we decided to stop at Primark and start shopping for some new clothes for me and for her. Look at the top she's picking up. Oh my god. Is your stomach full, Christina?
I cannot move. She tried to kill me 4 times already. I'm not gonna survive today. I need your help, please. You wait and put your comment. Say, help me, please.
Christina.
Yes. Are you trying to say something?
Go away. Go away.
Me? No understand? No English?
And she's
Habla
replying in English.
español?
So guys, we just got home, and as soon as we got home, right, it started raining. It was raining very heavily, and I just came out to throw the bin, and I'll show you. Isn't this pretty? Isn't this so pretty? The rainbow, oh my god, this is so pretty. Look at Christina, she's like busy over there taking her pictures and stuff like that. Look at Christina. Guys, in the afternoon we had Goan food with Christina. Okay. And now we are having biryani with the Jackie.
Jackie offers some biryani. Love.
I love the way he says his name. So when you say it
Jakey.
incorrectly, right, and then he'll correct you. Oh my god, you can see the smile, the
Yes.
expression that he
It's
gives.
not. What did you say?
The Jackie. The Jackie.
To my fans, to my haters, to my grandpa. I don't have a grandpa, but to the whole fucking world out there.
This is Buggy and this is Fusky. And that is Miss Bun. Miss Bun is sorting out a movie. That is the plan right now.
Yes.
And by then, let us do the opening of cheesecake. And this is how we ended our day, with some delicious cheesecake and watching some of the videos from Thonda. They are very entertaining, guys. Do watch them. Do check out his videos.